The last pair of this evening. Oh, ayan. Okay. So, kuya, kamusta man? Mura lagi. Uy, na, partner, nakuy na mukhaan sa'yo ha. Cartoon character.
Sino?
Para siya si San Goku. Ay, kinsa? Sinsa? Nag-Super Saiyan mo kuya mo.
Wala.
Kinsa?
Basta may na-remember din ako pero nakalimutan ko pangalan.
Sige. Kuya, kulbaan ka wala? Gamay. Dili na ko.
Gamay. How about you?
Padulungan ako. Padulungan na daw ako. Sige.
Super. Siya daw gamay, siya daw super.
Super. Agamay, super. O sa mana?
Super Latin.
Super. Ayan. Sumasabay si ma'am sa aming trip. Superlative. Okay, sir, pick your number. Ayan. Kani daw yung ikuha. He picked number 6.
Question number 6. Why do we need to study physical education? Again, why do we need to study physical education?
Thank you for the wonderful question, ma'am. Before I will answer your question, I would like to greet everybody here good evening. Especially our fellow judges, ma'am, sir, good evening. We need our study our physical education. Why? Because physical fitness is the one big role in our life. It's develop our mental, social, physical, and emotional. And it's also including our proper hygiene to have a good health and have a better lifestyle. And because of that, I believe that having a good health is the greatest wealth. That's all, and once again, thank you.
Ayan, thank you so much. That's number 5. Ay, 7. Okay, malalipan no. Igutan na siya kong partner ba? Tanawar ba itong karton? Sponsored by Mini Burger. Ayan. So, ma'am, wala siya kailangan mabunot, ma'am. Kanina yun.
Yeah.
Mag-Mini Burger, Mini Burger.
Okay. So she picked question number 2.
Ayan. So,
do you believe that physical education promotes our well-being? Again, do you believe that physical education promotes our well-being?